Lorna C. Santos to please ascend on the stage. May I also request the Makangkong Elementary School teachers to please come up the stage. Its capacity to realize dreams, so much so that there were graduates of this school who look back and brought glory to their alma mater. At this point, our graduates have to pledge to preserve the integrity of this school through a pledge of loyalty to be led by Catherine Z. Castro, this year's third honors.
Raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the graduates of Makangkong Elementary School,
Words will be forgotten, but time will surely remain with you. Let's listen to the graduates as they sing their class song entitled In This Moment. Trainer is Miss Julibet Z. Lacandula. Let's give them a round of applause.
Record.